Welcome to the next session of science. So children, in chapter number 3, we have studied detail regarding the teeth, that why teeth are important, structure of the teeth and types of the teeth, kinds of the teeth and what to do to take care of the teeth. Now we are going to study regarding the microbes. See, can you see this my palm? Yes. Here you can see any microbes over there, any bacteria? No. Why? Because with our this eyes we cannot see any bacteria on my palm. Even you cannot see or find any bacteria just now on your palm also. Any microbes you cannot see that. For that a special instrument is needed. Which is that? This instrument. This is called microscope. Even a very small and tiny microbes are there which we cannot see directly from our eyes, that also visible in this instrument. Here one slide we have to put, and whatever the things which we need to study regarding that we have to put on that. And we can see even very small tiny microbes which is present on side our either on the palm or anywhere else. Okay. So this instrument is called microscope. Now we are talking regarding the microbes. So where these microbes will grow? These microbes will grow very fast in the warm climate when they will get air, water and food. Even some microbes which cause disease. Yes, the microbes which cause disease are called germs. Yes, some of the microbes they enter our body and cause different kind of disease. Which are they? Let us see. The first type of microbes is bacteria. Now bacteria is composed of only single cell. See children, our full body is made up of different cells, but this bacteria is very small and tiny, made up of only single cell, that are called bacteria. Here some bacteria are there. They cause different and varieties types of disease in our body. Which are they? The first one is typhoid, pneumonia and tuberculosis. The short form of tuberculosis is TB. You are familiar with these names. So this disease are caused because of the bacteria. The next one is virus. This virus even smaller than bacteria. Just imagine, bacteria is made up of single cell, but virus is even smaller than bacteria. So we are able to see? No. And this virus cause many diseases like viral fever, chickenpox, cold and flu. Even this virus cause different diseases which has been written here. Hepatitis C, coronavirus, just now it has been spread like anything children. This is that. That is cause of this virus. Herpes virus, bird flu, smallpox and even influenza. So this virus cause many diseases inside our body. The next is protozoa. Protozoa also cause many diseases like malaria and dysentery. Here you can see this is protozoa. This is a picture of that. The next one microbes is fungi. You are familiar with that and you have done one experiment also on that in the chapter number 1 which I have been given you. Yes, what you have observed in that, on the piece of bread once you kept in the refrigerator and other in the room temperature. So whatever the bread you kept in the room temperature, the fungi start growing into that. Even on chapati also you have done the same experiment, right? So you are familiar with this name also. Even in the pickle jar, some of the time you can see the white color, that is also fungi. So what they will do? They cause disease such as skin disease. It's called ringworm. Yes, there are rings are formed because of the fungi. Here you can see that varieties types of fungi here has been shown. So this is that. But some microbes, all microbes are not good, not like that. Some microbes are useful to us also. Which are they? Let us see. Here you can see this is yeast. Yeast is helpful to us to soften the bread. Yes, bread is very soft. Why? That is because of the yeast. Now even some bacteria are needed to make the curd. Yes, bacteria are, without that bacteria we cannot change milk into curd. So this is how some microbes are helpful to us. So they are called useful microbes, and some bacteria helps in the better digestion. So this is how it's all about the microbes. Microbes that cause disease are called germs, and there are 4 types of microbes are that which we have studied right now, and these are some useful microbes. So, study these things very properly, children. Till then we will meet in the next session of the science. Bye bye.